All right, so I'm using the new GoPro today, GoPro 8. So I'm gonna take the truck over to O'Reilly's. I'm gonna pick up some transmission fluid and top it off. I got enough in there, I should be able to drive it over there. I'll just take it easy, get the fluid warm, and then I'll start to add some, probably just check it in the parking lot and get it up to temp. I wanna get it up to like 220 and drive it for a while like that and see if I can get it to lock up or do anything weird. Hopefully, we won't have any issues. How's the sound? Can you hear me?